was 5 years old the first time. My parents just kind of shoved me into a camp. I was shy and I was quiet, and they said she needs to be around people. I always loved, being with the other kids, and the camp counselors are always cool, right? So my first couple summer jobs was being at camp. And at the specific camp that I was working at when I was 16, 17 years old, we had epilepsy week, and we had children with sickle cell anemia, and so these were children with health issues, and they got to come to summer camp, and I got to make that real for them. I love science, I love people. How can I put these two together and make a career out of that? Well, healthcare kind of just seems like where you go from there, and so that was the first thing that I looked into, and it just worked for me. I had an opportunity to be involved with a fundraiser for the Canadian Cancer Society called Relay for Life. We had a lot of survivors come out to the event. I talked to these survivors, and they really had some unbelievable stories. There was one woman who had fought cancer twice and was cancer-free 12 hours before that event started. You see, 200 or 300 people walking around a track, and they're dressed up, and they have pictures of their loved ones, and they're all there fighting that same fight, and they're all there for the same reasons. So that kind of just showed me how powerful the word cancer really is, how powerful the disease really is. And I thought this is something that I really could be involved with for a long time.